Are you someone who spends most of their day inside, perhaps working, and the last thing you want to do when you're on your free time is to be inside again? Well, hi, I'm Laura, and I help midlifers get fit over 40 by taking one intentional step at a time outside. And with that, I like to offer short sequences of yoga postures that you can do whilst out on your walk to enhance your overall fitness. In doing so, you enhance your strength, you enhance your stability, and you enhance your stretch. Today, I'm showing you some seated postures that you can do whilst you're outside. The overall idea is to keep it really simple, to keep it foundational, so that you can remember these three postures and take them outdoors whenever you're outside on your next walk. And whenever you spot some place to sit, then you know it's your time to stop and try these postures. Ideally, sitting with your legs hip width apart, shoulder width apart, your feet are flat on the ground, and you're just going to take a moment here with a nice straight core, nice alignment, looking forwards, and just to take a deep breath.
Inhale, calm, and smile. Exhale, all the extra weight.
Maybe another. This helps center you into your inner world.
Your palms are up and open, ready to receive all the goodness.
Great. We're going to start with some gentle shoulder shrugs here. Gently rolling backwards, forwards. Maybe shrug them up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And hold your inhale. As you release, exhale. Great. We're going to introduce now the seated cat-cow. This one here is your hands are on your knees. In a floor posture, they would be on the floor. But here they're just gently in front of you. And we're going to inhale as we expand and arch forward. Your gaze is forwards and looking up. Exhale and contract. Curving your back. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale.
Open and create flexibility.
Exhale.
Release excess tension.
What's important here is to go at your rhythm. If you want to hold one of those positions a little bit longer, then that's your choice. This is the beauty of it. I offer 3 ideas, and you can take them and include them as you wish outside on your next walk. The next one here is a gentle reach up. We're looking to expand the shoulders. We're looking to align our posture. You're going to reach back if that's available to you. If not, you could take a scarf or even a hat or something that you had that's going to help you increase your stretch in the back. But if you can, you lock your hands together. You could even take something that you find in nature, part of a corn stalk, and help it make the reach. And you're just going to extend your chest up, keeping your gaze forward. Look up. Inhale. And exhale, release. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Open the shoulder blades and let go of any tension. Inhale here as you increase your expansion in your back. You're holding your item tight or your hands. Really feeling your shoulder blades again come apart and open and expand. Good. And we do that 3 times. So it's kind of an addition to our cat-cow. And the last posture we're going to do is the forward fold. Now there are some cautions with this posture. Not everybody should do it. If you are pregnant, if you have back injuries, previous back injuries, you have issues with your eyesight, and a few others. So this is a posture that you should look into if you do have some sort of health condition or if you are pregnant, that you should use with caution. All right, otherwise your feet are again flat on the ground. Your legs are hip width apart. We're going to reach up and inhale. And we're going to gently fold forward.
Allow the hinge to happen from your hips.
And exhale. Reaching all the way down, sliding on up, keeping a nice aligned posture. Strong core. Reaching up again. Tuning inwards.
Aim to lengthen your spine.
Letting your head drop, your arms drop, and releasing any tension that you've held inside your body.
Let it all go.
Good. Slowly rolling back up vertebrae by vertebrae. In addition to this is, if you wanted, you could straighten your legs a little bit with a slight bend in your knee, and you could then reach forward this way. You're going to get a better stretch through the back of your legs and thus through the rest of your body. If you don't want to do that, it's perfectly fine. You keep your legs bent at a 90-degree angle. Inhale as you expand up, and exhale as you reach forward. Great. So those are 3 seated postures that you can do to enhance your overall wellness whilst out on your next walk. These postures in particular are great openers. They are good for stretch and releasing tension and enhancing your overall body posture and stability. I hope you enjoyed these 3 postures. Let me know if you're going to try them on your next walk, because there's no better place to be for exercise, I believe, than the great outdoors. As you begin to walk regularly and as you include more yoga postures gently threaded and embedded throughout your walks, you will notice enhanced wellness. And this is the exact idea, is to stack little habits, micro movements day after day to notice an improvement in your strength, your stability, and your stretch. Don't forget, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So go on and get your bite on. Cheers. All right, it's time to get my walk on.
Be the change you want to see in the world. If you want better health, then take one step at a time to change the direction of your health and well-being. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Yoga for Beginners, Seated Postures. Every choice will help you live lighter and merrier.
See you in the next video.